Ever wonder what it takes to get your home ready to sell and then sold? Thinking of selling on your own? What's the best preparation and pricing strategy for your place? Hi friends and neighbors, I'm Brett West with the UrbanCastle team at McEnearney Associates Realtors in Washington, D.C. When it comes to selling your home, there are lots and lots and lots of questions about how best to go about it. Today, I'll answer some of the top questions about home selling. Stand by. Do I have to paint the interior of my home gray? Should I renovate the kitchen? Where do I even start? These are some of the questions that come across my plate every day. By the way, if you like anything you hear today, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions that aren't covered in this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Today's big question: what sort of fees are included when I sell? Typically for the DC region, costs associated with selling your home amount to about 8% to 9% of the purchase price. This includes the seller share of the transfer and recordation tax, broker fees, and other costs associated with the actual sale of the property. If you live in a condo or a co-op, the balance on monthly fees needs to be paid. You've likely already paid your property taxes in advance, so you're probably likely to see a refund check down the road for the tax period during which the new owner owns the property and now owes taxes. I work with a net proceeds calculator that helps account for all the costs in DC, Maryland, and Virginia, because each is different from the other, to determine an approximate total cash that you'll walk away with when the deal is done.